So what did you make of this number here?
It was a really ugly retail sales number. It's hard to make any other story other than that. Core control down 1.7%. That's a big drop. Now, November was stronger. November was up 1%. So there's a little bit of a payback that you're seeing. But this is obviously a pretty weak number. And I just pulled up the economic summary table. And if you look at the components, it's across the board weakness. Department stores down 3.3%. Sporting goods stores down 4.9%. So it wasn't just one or two areas where there was weakness. It was across the board, which makes you think that it's something a little bit more, significant in terms of that decline. And we know retail sales get revised, so we can see this number come up a bit, but it's likely to remain quite negative for December.
So this is the month of December, which, as I recall, had Christmas in it.
That's right.
This is like a big retail sales time. You don't want to miss in December if you're in retail.
Yeah, but now the Christmas season is November and December combined, and the fact that November is up 1%, December is down 1.7%, it's a little bit of an offset. But you're absolutely right. This was particularly bad for the end of the year, and it's a December number. It's not a January number, so the data has been delayed. We look at our own proprietary card data in one of our pushes forward to use more of our data analytics and our research. We look at our card data, and it shows actually that January looks pretty soft as well. So our forward-looking indicators suggest some of the softness might actually continue into the beginning of the new year as well.
Well, to that point, I mean, you look at jobless claims, right? If you look at the 4-week average, for example, they're still at the highest level in a year. How much do you learn about that for noise, and how much that is? Look, you pair that with the internal data that you have, and you could be looking at an actual consumer slower consumer.
I'm not as worried about the jobless claims numbers. 239, that's still within the normal range of noise for jobless claims, and it's still historically a very low level. So the jobless claims numbers I'm okay with. I don't think we can call that as an upward trend just yet. We have to continue to monitor the next few weeks, but the retail sales numbers from Census Bureau, that's hard to ignore. That's a big downshift for the consumer in December.